Arabwale sinabili. So what's up guys? Here your girl Grace Kelly mission for my 20 subscribers. I welcome everyone. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. That's live from my kitchen here. So today we are cooking chapati. And this is how we do it. Actually, I found that my sister has done the first progress, so I had to like I should show you what we usually do here at the village. So this is chapati, and we are going to eat it maybe. I usually eat it with beans or a meat or a stew, what you prefer, like. So hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, share to your friends outside there. I know you have amazing friends. Continue watching until the end. Thank you so much. So here these are like for chapati, and it depends how you cook them. This is how I cook by myself here. This is my life. Like we put oil. Look. So you do like this, but I see like some other people use like pepper, and then you turn like this so that you don't get burned. Like see, it's very lovely here. You can drop a sweet comment if this is how you do your chapati. Like this is African food, because like there are other countries that don't do chapati, so and they don't know what's chapati. They usually ask me what's chapati. Yeah. So we turn it like this. This one is ready, so we move it. This is ready. We are putting it here. And then you see this is what can put on the fire, because you just blow the metal, the pipe. Because if you burn like this, you get burned the face. That's why we are using the pipe. I'm almost finishing now. The last. So look how lovely they are. We have already finished cooking, and we usually put on inside the plastic. We don't have hot pot. We put them on the plastic, and then we shall eat. Ready to eat now, like yeah. We are going to do pocho. These are the, I don't know how we call them, beans, peas, pocho. So, and I have only tomatoes. So we put the oil. If you test whether the oil is ready, yeah, then we put the tomatoes Then we are going to do it with only the tomatoes. After that, I add salt. You stir, you stir. You need to the tomatoes to get ready, like when you have cut, and then you leave the tomatoes to get ready. Yeah. After stirring, you cover it so that the tomatoes will be ready, and then you wait for it for like 5 minutes to 10. The tomato will be ready, and then I'll add the peas. Yeah. So the tomatoes are ready. Tomatoes are ready. Yeah. Let me have some water because I'm like burned, like. And then we put the boiled beans. After that we stir. And you have to test the salt. Yes, the salt is okay. And just now leave it for 10 minutes and then it is ready for eating or for serving with the chapati. Yeah, we cover it like that. Drop a seat comment if this is that's how you do it, maybe on your style. That's my style because I've done it in a local way. Go and just drop a sweet comment on how you do it by yourself there. Also, you can share my video on your community if you have a community. So let's wait for it to be ready. Yeah.